Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your MailerLite account with your WordPress. So first of all, you're going to go to MailerLite dashboard, and then on the menus here you're going to click integrations. From there you're going to scroll down until you find WordPress right there, and you want to use it right there. Now you will need to set it up with these methods. So method 1 and method 2. So you can log into your WordPress panel, open the plugins in the left sidebar, and add a new MailerLite plugin, and install the plugin and activate it. Or you can just download the MailerLite plugin right there by clicking here. And this is how it looks like, sign up form. So I think we're going to try to find it on the plugins, and then you need to activate it. And after that, we're going to do some other steps. So let's add a plugin. Let's search for MailerLite. And here it is, sign up forms. You want to install it and activate it. Now, after we have activated, you want to go ahead and enter your MailerLite API key. So to find your API key, as you can see, you need to go to integrations, API, use, and generate new token. So let's click again, integrations, API, and generate new token, enter any name. And I have read terms and create a new token. Now you're gonna copy it, and you can also download it if you are not sure if you will have it. Now you go back to here and enter it right there and save this key. And now your MailerLite should be connected. As you can see, the pop-ups are enabled. You can also double opt-in. You can enable it if you want, and also allow non-admin users to manage custom forms. But that's basically how it works. Now you have sign-up forms too. And if this video was helpful, guys, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time.